Yes, this is a thing I want to talk about a long time I want to talk about this because I know this is over and over and over and over and over again. Why every time you go the police station to make a report, the police them talk to you like you're a criminal? I guess once you have on a uniform and come up in there, and you don't look like Mr. Chin or some Indian person, or you sound a certain way like a politician, you know how the politician them talk? If you talk like how me talk, them treat you like criminal. So more want to know for hear how this police lady talk to me. And then we come back and do some more talking.
So what on now? You have me in the station right now. Hold on. You have me in the station right now. Going through all this. After me come to the police, and me call them my nephew to send the soldier and come talk to him. I'm in the station.
Sir, a report has been made against you. You hear?
That I made a threat.
A
Because
threat
the
report?
soldier, them a come and talk to him.
Sir, hell with the soldiers. Hell with the soldiers. And tell the JDF personnel, say, Miss Craig, say, hell with the soldiers. A report has been made against you, and I have the power to deal with it.
But you listen to it?
Sir, I listen to it and I understand what you're saying, but you need to understand what I am saying now. So this is my place.
So that is a threat. If I say, may I call the police on him?
No, but
So
he said something different.
Is it a threat?
Sir, he said something different.
Yes, my people, you hear how she talk to me? You hear how she talk to big people? You see, tell me if them people need to have some respect and know if to talk to people. You see, if anybody know the commissioner, please pass this on to him. Because he need to take back them people and train them. At least, and him need to train them. When send for somebody from a foreign country, please, first world country, to train Jamaican police how to talk to people. Because I'm very rude. Jamaica people just get too excited when they get a local job. You know, people that used to not act that type of way. You know. Who never notice how Jamaican police them voice change as soon as they turn police, them talk one different way. Them voice just change. It get deeper. While they work, once they're working, when they leave work, them start talk back like regular people. You know, I once go on traffic court. And you know, I used to go to court, so me in there and I call the judge Miss, and the police steady running up in my face saying, no, don't call her Miss, call her Your Honor. And I make the mistake again because when I used to call a female Your Honor, I used to call her Miss. Is that a problem? If you're the American, you call the judge Sir or Miss, Ma'am, nobody have a problem with it. Judge not have, but judge not even gonna see that. They're not even gonna even hear that. Yes, may I say, but out here, Jamaican people too excited. Once they give them one job, oh God, you get on top of them head. You know? But me, I'm gonna listen some more of this. Where our police talk to people.
Yeah,
You still have the report, sir. You still have the report. So, in no matter what agreement you come to, or you still have the report.
Still have to report it.
Yes.
Even if it was say
You hear what me said now? Okay.
So when you hear the lady a boss me up. Police lady a boss me up. You know, outside with her, you know, I'm not go inside of the station or outside. She sit down outside and we come up because the guy I ride a motorcycle and lick up in my car. And I outside with her. And here, alright, listen to the other one.
but me not
But
come
you when you see you had an
well
accident, I'm saying to you, you have an obligation, you're
well
reporting.
me
Because
no
guess
want
what
make no
happened?
report. Me no want make no report cause I'm
You go on
gone.
the station yard then, simple. You see, you and him no come to no agreement and he now fix your vehicle or whatever, no come back here for
No,
responsibility.
me not worry about
Leave
that.
the station yard.
Come on, man.
So my people, when you hear that, you're the woman that run me out of the station like a fair place. You know, the person who ride the motorcycle, him jump on a motorcycle and go about him business. Because we talk about the thing. My car paint lick off and theme bike paint lick off and we just say, alright, you know, we just fix the thing and the man jump on the bike and gone. And the lady still want me make a report. The police lady still want me make a report. And when I tell her, I said, me no want make no report, she run me out of the station. So people, you see how them rude? Yeah man, I just want to hear that man. Enough more still, you know. But I want to hear that. Jamaican, let's keep praying.